palm oil. Is it worth it? Palm oil is a refined vegetable oil made from the fruit of the oil palm. Palm oil has thousands of uses. It can be found in 40 to 50% of household items, from cosmetics to processed food, cleaning supplies, medicine, paint, and many more. It can also be seen in the industrial world as a biofuel, lubricant, or pesticide. Take a look at some of these products and see if anything looks familiar. Chances are that you've probably used a variation of one of these items before. So why is palm oil so popular? Palm oil uses significantly less land than a traditional oil crop such as soy or sunflower. It grows very easily in tropical climates. It has a very long shelf life and is resistant to spoiling. The oil palm produces a large yield in comparison to other oil crops. It is inexpensive to grow, harvest, and refine. Palm oil is grown and cultivated around the world along the equator, but the majority of the growth is concentrated in Indonesia as well as Malaysia. For the purpose of this video, let's take a look at the economy of palm oil in Indonesia. The areas highlighted in yellow is where most of the palm oil production takes place. According to a World Growth Report, palm oil exports account for nearly 14% of Indonesia's economy. In 2017, palm oil exports in Indonesia accounted for over $18 billion US dollars. The industry directly or indirectly employs over 100,000 people, many of whom are under the poverty level. The four major importers of palm oil are China, India, Pakistan, and the United States. The palm oil industry is predicting continued growth well into the next decade. This sounds pretty good for the Indonesian economy, doesn't it? Let's take a few moments to consider the environmental impact of palm oil production in Indonesia. This photo is an example of the devastating effects caused by the slash and burn technique. In this photo, an excavator is clearing what remains of a rainforest before it is converted into a plantation. In this photo, another forest is being razed to clear room for more plantations. Slash and burn techniques devastate the fragile ecosystem that is comprised of peat swamps and rich rainforests. Large amounts of carbon dioxide are released in the process, which has a very negative effect on our atmosphere. These forests are home to thousands of creatures, the most notable being the orangutan, which means person of the forest. Take a look at the map on the left of Borneo. Through deforestation and human interference, the orangutan population has declined by over 90% in the last 60 years. The orangutan is a keystone species, which means that their activity greatly benefits the surrounding ecosystem. Human beings share 97% of DNA with the great ape. If the deforestation continues, it is presumed that the orangutan will be extinct in the next 50 years. It is estimated that 4 to 5 orangutans are killed each day as a result of human interference. In 2004, the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil was founded to curb deforestation across Southeast Asia. There is doubt, however, that the organization will prevent any significant change in the destruction of orangutan habitats. Grassroots organizations, such as the Orangutan Foundation International, are the best hope for promoting awareness. Dr. Barute Maria Galdikas has dedicated her life to studying orangutans on Borneo. Her work has changed the way that we look at our genetic relative. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, or if you want to get involved in the preservation of the orangutan, please visit the website listed below.